Hey there, welcome back to CMTEQ channel. In the previous tutorial on STM32 simulation, I showed you how you could display the temperature from the TMP temperature sensor onto the virtual terminal. As you can see, we've got the temperature being displayed. Please watch the previous tutorial so you can see how we got to this point. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an LCD display onto this very same project in a very few simple steps. Enable pin to PC5 and the power pins are optional for the simulation, but if you've got a physical LCD you need to have your power pin obviously, and the potentiometer must be connected to the VEE pin to control the backlight. If we run this program right now, we're going to get the temperature data onto the virtual terminal but no data onto the LCD display. That is the purpose of this tutorial, to get this exact data displayed onto the LCD. Great. Now once you've got all your GPIO port C selected pin configured as output, you can then go ahead and generate your code and header file. Basically, you need to create a new header file. You can give it any name you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and say lcd.h and I'm going to say finish. So that's basically going to create a blank header file here. As you can see, I will do exactly the same thing with the source file, and that will be the source file, basically the .c file, and this will be lcd.c, and I will say finish. Great. Now I also have an empty C source file. Great. Now if you click on the link provided in the description box, you're going to land in this GitHub repo here. Great. That basically it. There are no warning, no errors, and we've got our hex file that have been created for us. Now we can now go ahead and head back to our Proteus simulation and pull in the hex file and see if we're going to display the welcome to CMTEQ channel, subscribe, and also the temperature data onto the LCD display. Great. So let's go ahead and click on edit properties. Then we need to load in our new hex file here. Okay, and open. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this program and see how we're going to display our LCD data. There we go. Welcome to CMTEQ one channel. Please subscribe and like. So we're going to get a count up here that's supposed to be much faster, but there is a delay due to the CPU being loaded here, up to 5, and we've got temperature data display, and we also have temperature data being displayed here. Now let's increase the temperature data to 27, 28. We should have that also display on the LCD. 27, 28. There is currently a delay due to CPU being overloaded, but as you can see here, we haven't sorted out the float variable for our LCD display. If you want to sort out the float variable, please let me know on the comment section. I'm going to provide you some guidance on that. So that is it, guys, for this tutorial. If you find it useful, please make sure you subscribe to CMTEQ channel and give this tutorial a thumbs up. Until next time, cheers.